Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to Excel Basic Formulas Easy Guide. Start by understanding cell references, operators, and common functions like SUM, average, and if. Practice building formulas step by step, testing with simple numbers, and use parentheses to control order. Learn absolute versus relative references by copying formulas across cells. Keep a cheat sheet of function names and examples, and practice real tasks like totaling lists and calculating averages. Focus on a handful of functions to gain confidence. Sum, average, if, countif, and lookup formulas like VLOOKUP or index and match. Combine functions gradually and test each part so you can spot errors early. Use sample data to simulate real problems and name ranges to simplify formulas. Review results for plausibility and use built-in function help when unsure. Small, consistent practice builds real skill and speed. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice to keep your ride smelling great after long study sessions. It pairs surprisingly well with a tidy spreadsheet and a victory playlist. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Adopt tidy habits that prevent errors and save time. Label inputs clearly, separate calculations into logical steps, and avoid overly long nested formulas. Use absolute references for constants like tax rates and named ranges for clarity. Create a short test set to validate formulas and include comments for tricky logic. Regularly back up your workbook and use versioning so you can recover if you overwrite important formulas.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.